Today we will discuss about OIC reference model. Why we are learning this reference model in the sense, so our entire networks, they communicate the data between the one source to another source based on this open source internet. It's called application layer and presentation layer, session layer, transport layer, network layer, data link layer, and finally it is a physical layer. And the receiver and also having the same number of layers, that is 7 layers. Okay, but here there is a bottom to top approach. So application layer, about a user, it is like a user interface. So whenever you are typing the informations in your web page or telnet, other things. Likewise, அந்த மாதிரியான applications எல்லாமே இந்த application layers தான் இருக்கும். Okay. Then after that, once you are entering the data in the web page, that it become to the presentation layer. So presentation layer என்ன பண்ணும்? It compress the data. நம்ம என்ன data என்டர் பண்ணிருக்கோமோ அது என்ன பண்ணும்? Compress பண்ணும். Then it translate. What kind of translation? So in the World Wide Web, many people they are using the different kinds of operating system, different browsers, whatever things. So everything is a distinct platforms. Okay. For that, நம்மளோட மெசேஜ் என்ன பண்ணும்? எல்லா அப்ளிகேஷன்ஸ்க்கும் சூட்டபிளா இருக்கும். அதனால என்ன பண்றோம்? அந்த பிரசன்டேஷன் லேயர் இட் டிரான்ஸ்லேட். ஸோ நம்ம எந்த ஓஎஸ்க்கு அனுப்ப போறோம் இல்லை எந்த ப்ரௌசருக்கு அனுப்ப போறோமோ இட் டிரான்ஸ்லேட். நம்ம என்ன மெசேஜ் கொடுக்குமோ அதை அந்த ஃபார்மேட்டுக்கு டிரான்ஸ்லேட் பண்ணுவோம். Then whenever we translate and itself it encrypt the data. Okay, so என்ன பண்ணும்? கம்ப்ரஸ் பண்ணுது, அப்புறம் டிரான்ஸ்லேட் பண்ணும், then finally it is encrypt the data. Okay, in a public category or public channel, our data should be encrypted manner. அந்த ஒர்க்ல யார் பண்ணும் அப்படின்னா presentation layer பண்ணும். After that, after the presentation layer complete this work, all the data it is given to the session layer. Okay, session layer என்ன பண்ணும்? It's synchronization. What kind of synchronization? So ஒன்னு நம்மளோட sending systemத்துக்கும் receiving systemத்துக்கும் இடையில ஒரு sync create பண்ணும், synchronization. Okay, and dialog controls, so this kind of importance role it will handle it session layer. Okay, so நம்மளோட sourceக்கும் destinationக்கும் ஒரு dialog controls create பண்ணும். So that is a huge topic, we will discuss on another one session. Okay, after creating the dialog control is given to the transport layer. Okay, so transport layer what we will do? The transport layer will make the segments, our entire data, நம்ம application layers ல கொடுக்கிற datas எல்லாமே user friendly datas இருக்கும். That user friendly datas encrypt ஆகுது, then it's provided to the transport layer. In the transport layer, and the encrypted data it converted to the segments. Okay, so segments is nothing but it is also the data. Okay, in each layer we have the different name for the data. Over layer layum data ku vera name irukku. So likewise in a transport layer our data it is called segments. Okay, and also it is responsible for process to process delivery. What do you mean by process to process delivery? Suppose in your sender system you are opening a Gmail and Yahoo. Two mails are open, and the receiver also opened a Gmail and Yahoo web server. Okay, but you are sending the Gmail message to Gmail server and Yahoo message to Yahoo server. So that kind is called, it is a process to process. எந்த காலத்துல என்ன பண்ண முடியாது? நீ Gmail அனுப்புற மெசேஜ் Yahoo போகாது, Yahoo அனுப்புற மெசேஜ் Gmail போகாது. So நீ எந்த ப்ராசஸ்க்கு அனுப்புறமோ அதே ப்ராசஸ்க்கு டெலிவர் ஆகும். That is responsible for transport layer. Okay, then it is also deal with the port address. So இங்க தான் போட்டுருக்கோம். It is a port address and maintaining. Okay. After comes under the segmentation, the transport layer is given to the network layer. The network layer segments என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? It is divided. Divide பண்ணும் and it is converted to the packets. Okay. Segments converted into the packets. Already I explained. So each layer will deal the data in the different names. Likewise, in the name of network layer is called packets. Okay, and it is deal with the IP address. That is called a logical address. Okay, the network layer it is responsible for IP addresses. And another one major role play in the network layer is called routing. What do you mean by routing? So routing is nothing but it is a finding the shortest path between the source and destination. Source ல இருந்து destination போறதுக்கு எது shortest path அப்படின்றத find out பண்ணணும். That works will be done in the networks layer. And also it is deal with the IP address and it is responsible for source to destination delivery. நம்மளோட packets source ல இருந்து destination சிஸ்டத்துக்கு கொண்டு போற வரைய உள்ள ரோல் என்னது அப்படினா நெட்வொர்க்ஸ் லேயரோட ரோல், not a process to process. So transport layer will do it the process to process, but network layer will only responsible for source to destination. Okay, once completed the networks layer and it is produced to the data link layer. Whenever comes to the packets in the network data link layer, the data link layer it converted into the frames. Okay, so our entire data packets are இருக்கு. இங்க packet வந்தோம்னா packets data receive ஆகும்போது அத frame ஆ convert பண்ணும். Okay, and it is also responsible for MAC address, that is called physical address. So each system having the unique address, that is called the physical address. That physical address will be maintained in the data link layers. Okay, and the data in the form of frame and is also responsible for node to node delivery. What do you mean by node to node delivery? In a network path, we have to transfer more number of nodes to reach the destination address. But data link layer only responsible to send the data to the next node. That one I provide this table. In the data link layer, it's a network layer, it is a transport layer. In a data link layer, it deal with the MAC address, and the network layer deal with the IP address, and the transport layer it is a deal with the port address. And the data in the form of data link layer in frames, network layer is called packets, and the transport layer it is called segmentation. And the deliveries. So data link layer it is responsible for delivering node to node transfer, and network layer it is responsible for source to destination delivery, and the transport layer it is responsible for process to process delivery. Okay, now we can understand what is the major role playing in the three layers. So data link layer it's a network layer and transport layers. Then finally the data link layer, the frame நம்ம data link layerல frame இருக்கும். That frame it is sent to the physical layer, and physical layer it is a deal with the only raw data. What do you mean by raw data? So raw data it is nothing but it is the zeros and ones. So a computer deal with the zeros and ones only. The physical layer it is a deal with the bits. Okay, it is a zeros and ones, and it is also responsible for physical connections. Okay, either it is a simple duplex or half duplex, likewise, and it is also deal with the topology. Now the networks enna topology use பண்ணிருக்கோம். It is a star or bus or mesh topology. What kind of topology we are using, and also it is used for transmission mode. What kind of transmission mode we will use for transmitting.